What's up, survivors, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Dayz. That's right, we're on the beautiful world of Dayz today, and we're doing something a little different. Lately, I've been creating custom locations for Dayz for console players and PC players, and it's been a fun adventure. But a lot of people have been asking how they download them properly, how they upload them properly, how they get them working properly here on the server. So, today's episode, that's what we're going to be working on. That's what we're going to be focusing on. And yeah, should be fun. So, let's see. First thing is first, we want to go to our Nitrado server. So, this is all done through Nitrado. This is what I use for my Xbox server. You can use it for PlayStation servers, and you can use it for PC servers as well. If you do it on a different provider, I'll leave a link to where I learned how to do this. You guys can check it out. His name is Scalespeeder Gaming. Awesome guy. Check him out. Great videos. That's literally where I learned how to do this. So let me go ahead and show you how to upload my files. Alright, so we're in Nitrado. And then the first thing you want to do is make sure you go into your general settings. So go click the general tab. Oh, look, the server's restarting. Oh boy. And then you want to scroll down to the bottom. And this right here, the cfgameplay.json file, you want to enable that. So go ahead and make sure that's clicked. You want to tick that off, and then you want to save your changes. So go ahead and save that. And then what you want to do is you want to head back into your file browser. And once you get to your file browser, you click on that tab. And it'll, let's see, we can go here. So it's in your missions, and then your Chinaris, and then it'll bring you to this page. So from your home page, let's just go there. I'm sure you already know how to do this right there. Missions. And then Chinaris, if it's Enoch, if you're working on Livonia, but I don't think I've done anything on Livonia yet. And then you'll get to this page, and then you can go into your custom. And right here, I think it's empty. So if you don't have any custom builds or anything that you've uploaded this way, this will be empty. And you want to upload the files that I give you here. So I'll put in the description where you can get to my GitHub page, and that will bring you to this page here. And this has all of my custom maps, my custom edits, all my builds that I've been doing. So today, let me just show you on the Bearzino military base. So it's these two files. If you're going to upload the Bearzino military base, you'll need these two files. Same with any of these others, you need both files for it to work if you want it to work properly and to have loot. So the JSON file basically gets everything, all the structures in, and then the map group position file, that will get all the loot to the proper locations of those structures you just added. So the JSON file, what you do to download it is you click on it, you go to raw right here, you click on raw, it'll bring up this page. You right click and you save as. It should be something like this, Bearzino military base JSON, and then make sure the save as type is also a JSON file. Make sure those are both correct. So you can save that, and then that will show up in your downloads, I believe. Yeah, it should be in your downloads. So that's that. You want to go back, get out of the JSON, and then this map group positioning file, we're not going to download it. We're going to use that in just a minute. So we'll come back to this page, but this is how it looks. It's the actual, so if you uploaded this file, it would work. But this is just for the things I've uploaded. So if you just uploaded this file, it would literally remove everything else in the map. So you don't want to do that. So we're going to come back to this. But first thing, we'll go to our Nitrado server. And like I said, right here in the custom folder, it's going to be empty. So you want to click upload, go to your downloads, and where you just saved that new file, where I just showed you how to save that JSON file, you want to upload it here. So you would click upload, your downloads or whatever, and then you would upload what you just downloaded. I didn't download it, so it's not in there. And then I'm not going to mess up my server. But yeah, you click upload. And then you click on the file that you just downloaded that I showed you how. Like I just said. Did I repeat myself? Fun. After that, it should stay in there. You don't have to hit save or anything. It'll be uploaded in there. And then you want to go back to your file browser. And in here, let's see, your Chinaris. Back to this page, the main page here on the file browser. And you want to scroll down until you find the cfgameplay.json folder. It'll be right here. It's between events and this other one, the limits. So we'll click on that. And mine is a little edited, so it looks like it'll probably be different than yours. But you want to go down to the world's data and then the object spawner array. And that's this line right here. And then in this section, right here. As a matter of fact, I forget what's here, but I think this whole section right here is added. So what you want to do is you'll add your parenthesis, custom, slash. So you can put that in there. Let me just show you right here. So basically within these brackets here, I think it's empty. I forget what yours will say, but it might be empty. But in that section right there, in those brackets, you want to add. So let me just show you an example of how it would kind of look. It would be like a bracket and a bracket. And then in between those, you want to put a parenthesis, custom, whoops. And then you want to put slash. And then right there, there's going to be another parenthesis after that, but in between that last parenthesis and the slash is going to be your file right here. And you can go back into your custom folder where we just uploaded that last one and literally highlight the name and copy it. And then you want to paste it. So you'll go back and you'll highlight the name that you just downloaded into your custom folder. So go to your custom folder. It's in there now. You just downloaded it. You copy the whole name directly and then you put it right there like that. And you paste it and it'll be in between there. So you have your parenthesis, custom, slash, and the custom slash just tells it that this file is in your custom file. So you have to have that. And then right after the slash is going to be the full name of the file you downloaded, whether I think we did Berezino military base. So that will go right there. And then another parenthesis and then your end bracket. So that's how it will look. So that's that. Put that there. Save your changes. You can come back here. And then those two sections, the custom right there and adding it to the JSON folder, the name to the JSON folder down here. Those are the two main things you need for this to actually upload your structures. And now to get it to spawn loot, what you have to do is in this section right here, your map group positioning XML. Map group position, that you can't open it. So what do you got to do? You got to click right here. You got to download it. So we'll click download. It should pop up in your downloads over here somewhere. Awesome, there it is for us. And then from there, if you have you want to get this. This is called Note++. And it's very good for like editing code and doing a lot of things. It's very, very useful. You can do this, and there's a lot of great things for this. And so here, this is our original. This is what we just downloaded. So we hit the download button right here on the map group positioning, and then we opened up the Note++, and you can hit open right there, and then you click on your recent downloads, and this map group position will be there on the very top because you just downloaded it. And this will have what you have currently in your server. So if you've done this stuff before, this might be edited, but if not, this will be just the original. This literally is every single spawn point of loot in the entire map. So you can go through it, and it has all the coordinates, and it has what building it spawns in and everything. So this is everything. You don't want to really mess with this too much. But then you come over here to my GitHub, and this is what we're adding. We added the JSON for the Berezino military base. Now we need to do the map group position. And then, so what I do is see all this up here? This section right there is already in your files. It's already in your original file. This ending section right here, that's all in your original file already. What's new? So you don't want to copy any of that. What's new is just this section here. the actual items and their location. So you want to copy that just to that section. Like I said, you leave out the bottom code in this little top section right there. So we have that. You want to control copy. So we just controlled copy that. And then you go back over to your Note++, and where you're editing your original file you downloaded, you come to the very bottom. And right here at the very end, you just want to enter and add another line right there. And then you can put Control V. Well, actually, yeah, you can just put Control V and it'll paste it right there. So now you scroll down. This is what you pasted from here to like up here somewhere. But now it's all in there. It should be fine. There should be no spacing. There should be anything really. Yeah. So there you go. Boom. And like I said, this bottom part right here is the same. The top part should be the same. So all we did was add in the actual items and where they're going to be spawning loot, like their location and stuff. So this top part should be all the same. And then from there, you want to save this file. Just go ahead and put save. And it might have this little 1 right here, but that just means it was a copy, which is fine. So save it, this direct file that you downloaded, or else you can save as and put like copy or something. You can add an extra thing if you want to keep your original files. You can make up a backup for your originals. And then you go over to your Nitrado and you upload it. So you click upload file right here. This will pop up like so. Give it a second. It's going to get in there. There you go. So it just uploaded, and it'll upload down here where you can't access it as well. But like I said, it'll have that number right there if it's a copy, and that's how you'll know it's yours, the new one. Make sure you have, like I said, when you do save it, you have something like that tells it differently from the original. And then you delete your original right there. And then after you delete your original, this one will be gone. You come back into your one you uploaded and you rename it. And what you want to do is rename it. You remove that and just rename it as mapgrouppos.xml and hit OK. I'm not going to do that because it's going to mess up my files. And then it will change it back to the original name here. And then it's good to go. You should be fine after that. I guess I should have told you, you should probably stop your server before you do all this. Crap. Crap. You've done this too far. You've already come this far. Stop your servers. No, it doesn't. If you didn't stop your server, it's not going to like ruin anything. You'll just have to hit restart on your server. But yeah, pause your server, start it. And then if you didn't, go ahead and just restart it. It'll be fine. And then after you've done that, that's it. That's it. Like I said, restart your servers and everything should be in there. Boom. We are done. Look at you. Look at me. Congratulations. We've done it. We've done it. Look at us. Now, I truly hope this helped you and I hope it was useful. Let me know if you have any questions or any requests on what you want me to build next. That's right. Join my Discord. You can let me know over there. We got a Cami Deathmatch server, community events, a rotating custom maps. Season 1. We're on Season 1. Go over there. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. As always, stay safe. Travel fast. Goodbye.